Chapter 3 Demon War. Sage Vishvamitra was delighted with the bravery and skill shown by the young princes. Rama had managed to defeat the demoness Tathaka, a feat that many before him had failed at. The next day, the sage gifted Rama with over 100 astras and shastras. He excitedly named and described each of them. The astras were weapons summoned or charged by mantras. The shastras were various swords, maces, and spears. Vishvamitra taught Rama how to shoot divyastras and how to withdraw them. He also taught Rama and Lakshmana 2 mantras, Bala and Atibala. These mantras would give them the power to overcome hunger, sleep, and fatigue. With the princes suitably armed and prepared, the trio proceeded to Sage Vishvamitra's ashram. The next yagna planned would be a 6-day and 6-night ceremony. The 2 princes stood guard while the sages performed the sacred rituals. With the use of Vishvamitra's mantra, they required neither sleep nor food. On the 6th night, the demons attacked with full force, led by the sons of Tathaka. Marich and Subhahu rained down foul substances to desecrate the sanctity of the yagna. Ram used one of the astras gifted to him to protect the sacred fires. The brothers then began their counterattack. The demons seemed innumerable and attacked in waves. Ram skillfully deployed an array of the astras, beating back the demon army. He aimed an astra towards Marich, and with it flung him hundreds of miles away to the ocean. With another powerful astra, Rama killed the demon Subhahu. The brothers then fought off the remaining demons, eventually causing all of them to flee in terror. The yagna was completed successfully, and Sage Vishvamitra was delighted. His faith in the brothers was richly rewarded. You have kept the honor of Sudashrama, the hermitage of accomplishment, and because of you, the sacred yagna was finally completed. The brothers spent the night in the hermitage, and the next day, the sages invited the brothers to accompany them to the kingdom of Mithila, where King Janak was conducting a Swayamvara, a groom-choosing ceremony for his daughter. Once more, Rama's life would be changed forever. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.